Welcome to the Cataraqui Region Phragmites Management Area Invasive Phragmites Survey, and thank you for your work in identifying and monitoring Phragmites in the area. This survey will make the process easier. Survey 123 is a software developed by Esri, and it focuses on field data collection through user-submitted surveys. The surveys are converted to tables which can then be viewed as spatial data in programs like ArcGIS Pro and ArcGIS Online. While it's possible to use the survey in a browser on your device, it isn't recommended as it will make it more difficult to upload photos and revisit the survey. Luckily, the app is easy to download and is available from the Google Play Store and App Store. Just search for ArcGIS Survey 123 and download it. When you open the app, you should be prompted by your device to allow Survey 123 to take pictures and record video. Make sure you choose the while using the app option. Otherwise, you will not be able to take and upload photos of the Phragmites you find, which is a big part of the survey. You will then be met with a screen asking you to sign in with ArcGIS Online or continue without signing in. It's important to note that you can use the survey whether you have an ArcGIS Online account or not. So if you have a license by your organization, you can sign in, and if not, you can just click the Continue without signing in button. You then might be prompted by your phone for Survey 123 to use your device's location. Click Allow while using the app. Now you are ready to click the survey link, which can be found on the Cataraqui Conservation website by following this video. From the home page, select Watershed Management, then Stewardship, and then Aquatic Invasive Species. Then scroll down and select Cataraqui Phragmites Management Area. Once selected, navigate to the How Can I Get Involved section and select the hyperlink connected to the text desktop version of our survey here. When selected, you should be given the option to open the survey in the browser or in the Survey 123 Field app. Choose the Field app option. You will then be brought to the survey, and you can fill out your first entry. Alternatively, you can find the survey by scanning this QR code. Please pause this video to scan this code. You should also be able to find the link in the description below this video if on YouTube, or on the page with this video if on the Cataraqui Conservation website. You can also scan the QR code by pressing the QR code scanner on the top left of the app. The survey is 10 questions long, with an optional additional notes part at the end, and is straightforward. There are hints for each question to make everything clear. Questions with a red asterisk beside them are required. Unfortunately, there is no autofill or data cache feature in Survey 123, which means that for the first two questions, you'll have to type in your name and your organization name every time you fill out a survey. Under type of land, there are some hidden or cascading questions. If you choose roadside or road allowance, private, or parkland, make sure you answer the new question which appears below the type of land question and asks for more specification. For example, if you choose roadside, a question asking for type of road will appear below the question. These questions are required. You must also include information regarding hydrologic condition of the site and how the site can be accessed. For the images questions, you can choose to take a photo by clicking the left icon of a camera or choose one from your files by clicking the right icon of a folder. You must include both a picture of the general area of the Phragmites patch and a close-up picture of a plant. For the location of Phragmites question, use the aerial image to zoom in and locate the invasive Phragmites patch. If the background is not the Cataraqui Phrag survey results layer, click the options on the sidebar and set that as the background. You should be able to see previously recorded Phragmites populations as blue polygons. Please do not record populations at sites where Phragmites has already been recorded. To zoom in and out, use the plus and minus symbols. Finally, the last button on the sidebar will bring your screen to your current location. You can use two drawing options. Their symbols should be in the bottom left corner of the screen on the app version. Shape and freehand area. What you choose is entirely up to you. Both options will result in polygons and are acceptable either way. If you draw a shape and are not happy with it, you can tap it and choose to replace it. When you have completed drawing your area, Ensure the area listed matches your estimate. If it did not, you may have drawn your polygon to be too large or too small. After you have filled out all the required questions in the survey, click the check mark in the bottom right corner of the screen. You should now be presented with 3 options: Send Now, Continue the Survey, and Save in Outbox. If you would like to make changes to the survey later before sending, it is recommended that you save in Outbox. The surveys will stay there until you decide to send them. Using the Outbox can also preserve your phone battery and reduce the data you use. When we receive the completed surveys, we can incorporate this data into our management plans. Thank you again, and happy monitoring!